What if you could launch an entire online business in just 24 hours? No team, no coding, no guesswork, just AI tools doing the heavy lifting. Stick around, because I'm revealing the one AI combo that runs your content while you sleep. Before we go any further, I want to be very clear about something. This isn't a someday idea or a theory that only works for tech experts. These are real systems people are using right now, often quietly, while others are still stuck thinking online businesses require months of setup or constant posting. AI has removed most of the friction, and once you see how the pieces fit together, it's hard to unsee. Welcome to your step-by-step roadmap for launching an AI-powered business in a single day. Whether you're brand new or just looking to streamline your hustle, today you'll learn which AI tools to use, how to automate everything from content to sales, and how to turn simple ideas into profit fast. What makes this approach powerful isn't speed alone, it's leverage. One setup can work for weeks or months without constant attention. Instead of trading time for money, you're building a system that compounds. That's the mindset shift most people miss, and it's why so many give up too early. Let's dive into the future of online income. First things first, let's talk about what can AI actually do. AI isn't just hype, it's your secret weapon for saving time, boosting quality, and automating work. Here's what it can handle for you. Write content with WriteSonic or ChatGPT. Design graphics with Canva. Build funnels and automate emails using System.io. Schedule and track everything with Metricool. Personally, I use WriteSonic to generate sales copy and blog posts in minutes. It's like hiring a copywriter, but without the monthly fees. And later, I'll show you how I use WriteSonic plus Canva plus System.io to build and sell a digital product while I sleep. The key here is not mastering every tool. It's choosing one simple pipeline and sticking to it. When AI handles the repetitive work, your job becomes decision-making instead of execution. That's where real scalability starts. Next up, let's dive into pick your niche and fast. Start where passion meets demand. Use Google Trends, Answer the Public, and Reddit threads to find what's hot. Ask, are people searching for this? Can AI make it easier? Here are the best niches for 2026. AI for personal productivity, digital planners and templates, health and wellness challenges, remote work resources. Pick one. Don't overthink it. If a niche constantly evolves, it's perfect for AI-powered businesses. Trends change, tools update, and people keep searching for answers. That means unlimited content ideas without ever starting from zero. Now for the next step. Build your brand in a day. Think of your brand as a signal, not a masterpiece. Clean visuals, a clear message, and one call to action are enough. Canva makes this easy because you can lock in fonts, colors, and layouts once, and reuse them everywhere. This is also where many beginners overbuild. You don't need 5 pages or complex branding. One page, one offer, one email sequence is more than enough to get your first results. Basically, what you need is a domain plus landing page. Use System.io to build a quick, professional site. Choose a domain, use their drag and drop builder, and set up a lead magnet or product. A social media setup. Create matching profiles, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Use Canva to design banners and profile pics. An email marketing automation. System.io comes with built-in email tools. Set up a welcome sequence triggered when someone opts in. System also has free plans. Perfect if you're starting lean. Okay, let's keep it rolling with create content with AI. This is where AI shines. Create once, repurpose forever. Short-form video with ChatGPT or WriteSonic for script writing. Instagram and Pinterest graphics with Canva templates. Lead magnets or guides with WriteSonic long-form assistant. And having used Canva Pro has saved me hours designing clean, scroll-stopping content. If you're not using it yet, there's a free trial linked below. Here's how I personally think about content now. I don't create posts, I create assets. One idea becomes a short video, a carousel, a pin, an email, and a landing page section. AI makes this possible because it removes rewriting from the equation. A simple workflow you can copy. Start with one core idea, ask Writesonic to generate a short script, then rewrite it for Pinterest, email, and social captions. Drop everything into Canva, export, and you're done. One idea, 5 platforms. This is also why consistency becomes easy. When content is automated, you stop relying on motivation, and platforms reward you for showing up. Here's where it gets interesting. Automate everything. Let's connect the dots. Create content with Writesonic plus Canva, publish and schedule with Metricool, capture leads and sell with System.io. Optionally, use Zapier to automate backup systems. Here's an example: a Pinterest pin leads to your free guide. System.io collects the email, sends your automated welcome series, and promotes your paid product. That's the same combo I teased earlier. Writesonic plus Canva plus System.io equals hands-free income. Automation works best when it's simple. One piece of content triggers the next action automatically. When your tools talk to each other, you stop working online and start managing a system. This is how people step away for days or even weeks and still see emails opened and sales come in. Systems don't burn out. People do. Next up, let me know in the comments if you want me to show you the one AI hustle that doesn't require a face, voice, or editing, but makes money 24/7. But before that, let's talk about tracking what's working. Monitor your KPIs. Click-through rates on pins and reels. Email open rates, aim for 30% plus. Funnel conversions, even 1 to 2% is gold. As for the tool to use is, Metricool is my daily go-to. It tells me what content's working and when to post. It's free to start. Link below. Tracking isn't about perfection, it's about direction. Small tweaks compound fast when your system is already live. Next, we're tackling common pitfalls to avoid. Here are some common pitfalls to try to avoid. Don't overcomplicate. One offer, one funnel, one workflow. Don't skip the design, visual sell. Don't go solo forever. AI is your assistant, not your full team. Do it messy, then improve. Here's where it gets interesting. Monetization options. Start with one monetization method. Don't stack everything on day one. Once your first offer converts, even a little, you can layer on affiliates or services without rebuilding anything. Sell digital downloads. Offer a mini service. XAI blog setup, Canva templates. Affiliate marketing, like the tools in the description. This is the hack no one talks about. Bundle your lead magnet and product into a low-ticket offer, under $20, to start making sales right away. This is why AI-powered businesses scale faster. You're not limited by time or energy. Once the system works, improving it is easier than starting over. Subscribe for weekly strategies that use AI to build your income and freedom. Next up, I'm breaking down how beginners are launching fully automated AI-powered YouTube channels with no face, no voice, and no editing required. See you there.